The ChatGPT AI language model, the new wave of technology combining artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning over the past few years. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, can respond to human inputs in a manner that resembles human communication. While this can be considered a revolutionary advancement in many ways, there are some things to really think about because it will directly impact humans, the way we live, and our daily operation. What are the implications, both good and bad, of AI language models like ChatGPT? What is it that we as consumers and citizens need to keep in mind? And is ChatGPT and AI going to be beneficial, or is it going to hurt humanity? These are the core questions. Hello and welcome to The Core Questions. Let's first talk about the positives of ChatGPT. For starters, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many jobs due to its ability to perform tasks that previously required human expertise. This results in greater efficiency and cost savings. In a world where machines can perform many tasks previously performed by humans, businesses will need to adapt and find new ways to create value. Another significant plus point of ChatGPT is its ability to improve customer service. ChatGPT can assist businesses in increasing customer satisfaction by responding quickly and accurately to customer concerns. This is especially important in industries where quick and effective customer service makes the difference between a successful sale or a lost customer. ChatGPT also significantly helps the healthcare industry as well. It has the ability to assist doctors and other healthcare professionals diagnose and treat patients and accurately analyze large amounts of medical data. This has the potential to improve patient outcomes while simultaneously lowering healthcare costs. While there are certainly many more positive benefits of ChatGPT and other AI language models, the misuse of AI raises ethical and privacy concerns, especially as the technology becomes more prevalent and powerful. There are several ways that AI can be misused, including 1. Bias and discrimination. AI algorithms are only as good as the data that they're trained on. If the data used to train an AI model is biased, the model will also be biased, leading to discriminatory outcomes. For instance, a user asked ChatGPT to write a poem on US President Donald Trump and Joe Biden. After refusing to write a poem about Trump's positive attributes and then writing a very positive poem on Biden's attributes, accusations of ChatGPT's possible political bias went viral. 2. AI facial recognition technology has been found to have a higher error rate for people with dark skin, raising concerns about racial bias in AI. Most of the AI-based image creators have been trained on Western faces, so it's very hard to get images resembling Indian, Asian, and African faces. 3. Privacy violations. The vast amounts of data collected by AI systems can be a threat to privacy. Without proper safeguards, this data can be used for unauthorized purposes like targeted advertising, political manipulation, and identity theft. 4. Autonomous weapons. Development of autonomous weapons such as drones and military robots raises concerns about accountability and the use of force. If a weapon operates autonomously, it can be difficult to determine who is accountable if it causes damage. 5. Job displacement. As AI technology becomes more advanced, it has the potential to automate many jobs, leading to widespread job loss and economic disruption. This is particularly concerning for low-skilled workers who may find it difficult to adapt to the changing job market. 6. Algorithmic decision-making. AI is increasingly being used to make decisions that affect people's lives, such as hiring, lending, and policing. If the algorithms used to make these decisions are flawed or biased, they can lead to unfair outcomes. For example, predictive policing algorithms have been criticized for reinforcing racial biases in the criminal justice system. So, what is it that we as consumers and citizens need to keep in mind about AI? Well, it's a fact that, like it or not, ChatGPT is here to stay. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella has stated, and I quote, "I see these technologies acting as a co-pilot, helping people do more with less." Nadella means business. To get ahead in the AI race, Microsoft has already invested $10 billion in OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. When asked whether AI would replace humans eventually, Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai answered, and I quote, You can think of it as having AI assistants, pretty much to help you with most things. Pichai just recently announced that a new AI chatbot called Bard will be integrated into Google. Many experts call Bard a competitor to ChatGPT as it will answer users' questions and take part in conversations on Google. With both Microsoft and Google already announcing plans to integrate AI in their systems, there is no doubt that AI is going to become a part of our daily lives. In the US, over 30% of 4,000 surveyed adults stated that they use ChatGPT at work. But this raises concerns about who controls the data and how it's used. Companies and governments must implement regulations to ensure responsible use of this technology and to protect individuals' privacy. And they have to do it fast. Of course, AI has been a buzzword for years now, but even tech experts are stunned at just how fast AI tools like ChatGPT have matured. The Indian government has recognized the potential of artificial intelligence and has been actively working to promote its development and use in the country. It has set up a national-level expert committee on AI to provide guidance on the ethical, legal, and social implications of artificial intelligence. In 2018, the Government of India also released the National Artificial Intelligence Strategy, which outlines its vision for the development and deployment of AI in India. Coming back to the core question, are ChatGPT and AI tools going to be beneficial, or are they going to hurt humanity? On one hand, AI tools like ChatGPT can automate multiple tasks, improve customer services, and assist in day-to-day professional and healthcare services, which can potentially revolutionize industries. However, as with any new technology, it is important to consider the ethical and privacy implications and ensure that AI is used responsibly. It is more important for governments, businesses, and individuals to be aware of the potential misuses of AI and to work together to ensure that the technology is used for the benefit of society. In the end, ChatGPT or any technology is value neutral. It's for humans to make use or misuse of it. Thanks for watching the Core Questions by The Times of India. Be sure to leave your comments below and also like and share this video. Until next time, this is Priyanka Dev signing off. Namaste.